staying on that story, President William Ruto has formed a commission of inquiry to investigate the Shakahola cult deaths that have shocked the country. And as Brian Amoy reports, Court of Appeal Judge Justice Jessie Lesiit will chair the commission.
Living up to his word, President William Ruto has formed a commission of inquiry to investigate the Shakahola cult death. The commission will be chaired by Court of Appeal Judge Justice Jessie Lesiit. The commission's mandate will be to inquire into the death, torture and inhumane and degrading treatment of members and individuals linked to the Pastor Paul Mackenzie-led Good News International Church in Malindi, Kilifi County. The commissioners are Justice Mary Kasango, Dr. Frank Njenga, Mr. Eric Gumbo, Bishop Catherine Mutua, Jonathan Lodompui, Mr. Wanyama Musiambu and Mr. Albert Musasia. Commission Joint Secretaries will be Oliver Karori and Ms. Rachel Maina, with Senior Counsel Kioko Kilukumi appointed as lead counsel, to be assisted by Ms. Vivian Nyabeki and Mr. Bahati Mwamuye. According to the Gazette notice, the Commission of Inquiry will prepare a report and submit its recommendation to President Ruto within 6 months. The Commission has also been tasked with establishing circumstances under which the death occurred and also inquire into the legal, institutional, administrative, security and intelligence lapses that may have contributed to the occurrence of the tragedy. It is also expected to identify people and organizations who bear the greatest responsibility for the Shakahola massacre and recommend specific actions that should be taken against them, including criminal investigations. The Commission is also expected to inquire into factors that led to the rise of the Good News International Church and other factors that give rise to such religious extremist institutions or cult groups and other formations that foster negative religious-based activities. It has also been tasked with recommending legal, administrative, institutional and regulatory reforms aimed at preventing the occurrence of future incidents of death or gross violations of the rights and welfare of people by extremist religious institutions. The Commission will be required to receive views from members of the public and also oral or written statements from any person with relevant information. It shall also summon any person concerned to testify on oath and to produce any books or documents that may require. The Commission will hold the inquiry in public but may hold private hearings if necessary and shall exercise power conferred on it by law for the proper execution of its mandate, including the power to require cooperation from public officers and institutions. Interior and Government Coordination Cabinet Secretary Kithure Kindiki has warned that the government will take stern action against all culprits found culpable in the Shakahola massacre. The CS pointed out that the government has established a task force that will come up with proper framework policy to govern and regulate churches.
We punish all those who did what they did. Those who killed our people in a cruel and degrading and inhuman manner must be visited with the worst form of punishment that is available in our law books. We are making good progress. We intend to make further arrests in the coming days. We have zeroed in on second and third tier collaborators to the main perpetrators of the Shakahola massacre, and we will punish them. We will prosecute them with the worst crimes possible.
Brian Amoy, Look Up TV.